The morning sun peeked through the curtains as Anna woke up on the summer solstice. Today was International Yoga Day, and Anna was excited to start her annual celebration. Ever since she began practicing yoga 5 years ago, the ancient Indian practice had become an integral part of her life. She rolled out her mat, closed her eyes, and began flowing through a series of sun salutations to greet the new day. International Yoga Day was established in 2014 to raise awareness of the many benefits of yoga. It commemorates the summer solstice, the longest day of the year in the northern hemisphere. This date was chosen to highlight the important connection between the sun, the earth, and well-being. Yoga has been practiced in India for over 5,000 years. The word yoga comes from Sanskrit, meaning to unite or integrate. Yoga combines physical postures, breathing techniques, and meditation. It aims to strengthen both the body and the mind. Regular yoga practice has been shown to decrease stress, increase flexibility and strength, and bring balance and inner calm. Due to its profound benefits, yoga has become immensely popular worldwide. There are over 200 different schools of yoga, including Hatha, Vinyasa, Ashtanga, and Iyengar. An estimated 300 million people practice yoga regularly, making it one of the most popular forms of exercise and self-care globally. To celebrate International Yoga Day, large public yoga practice sessions and festivals are held in communities around the world. In India, Prime Minister Narendra Modi often leads a yoga demonstration along with thousands of participants. Yoga studios and gyms offer free or reduced price classes. Many people do sun salutations at sunrise facing towards the east. Social media campaigns encourage yogis to share their favorite postures and talk about what yoga means to them using the hashtag International Yoga Day. For Anna, yoga was a lifelong journey of learning and self-discovery. As she moved into a camel pose, arching her back and opening her heart to the sky, she felt deep gratitude for the ancient wisdom that had been shared with the world. On International Yoga Day, people come together through yoga to cultivate love, joy, peace, and connection across borders, one breath and one posture at a time. June 21st is International Yoga Day. Here is our painting with oil pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful International Yoga Day. Cheers!